College Univibro season 4 kijing petip nam ta kitu kiba apply nam ta kane ka post accountant ka balai hapo office DHS under Directorate of Health Service te ki kerteng ki balai shortlisted nam ta ka written exam kilami te kane notice kilami na du new trik na June arja apply te kidon kumba arp sangu de baro ki balai select nam ta ka written exam te nam ta kijing tip ko ne an play kat kum kane ka notice ki ba non kam kine ki balai select list of those candidates who have been selected to take the written test for the position of accountant under Directorate of Health Service. The exam can they have country trip jong mana June arjar fly kapor kolong sipo baji aduk hadwai sitang kajaka kadai hapo Regional Health and Family Welfare Training Center kabadai hapo live umkra sawat kata kajaka. Tidak kan mau bahai gini, please note have a report live 4 minute haswa jong kajik senang jong kapor ban sedang waktu exam kata telma kadai stand poma kan mau bahai kata the duration of written test kan dai shikanta sitang but kin base batch haka merit list mo kiba kham shakmat mot kin poi haka interview round te ki kateng jong candidate kin ki ap sangot candidate kilong wari bahun marwen yai kin tu warjri Nathaniel thank you me badaya ka taryang newborn lan lawai Manisha Gurung Don Boklang Sumer Suma Paul Melba Pentikan Masar Neini Shaprangdhar Taini Lang Saibon Bayar Linsun Ar Fionka Lingdo Nongpur Jedi Dia Lingdo Maulong Samir Thapa Butphang Bon Lingdo Yai Budlin Maulong Elarin Kiswer Ilavanda Khairim Meba Risha Suting Wan San George Syndrome Ik Dashisha Shongwan Mario Dorf Timmen Yang Funder Singh Sat Teknik ki arp sangut kila select nam taka written test kandai haga kandu trik jong panai June sakan mau kapor long sipo baje adu kadoi stang sikinta stang ka full mark long san mark tangkini ki jing tip publish one